does RSMC grade their embryos? Well, when we look at embryos, let's talk about the beginning of the process, which is fertilization on day 1. Typically, we look for fertilized eggs and then count the number of fertilized eggs on that first day. By day 2, we want to see a multicell embryo of at least 4 cells. By day 3, we want to see a doubling of that, or a multicell embryo of 8 cells. We also want to avoid seeing any kind of deterioration or fragmentation in the embryos, so that by the time we get to day 5 or 6, we have a fully developed embryo. This embryo may be hatched or partially hatched. Additionally, the inside of the embryo has the inner cell mass, that's what becomes the baby, and the trophectoderm along the outside of the embryo. This is the part that becomes very important in implantation of the embryo or placenta feeding the baby later in the pregnancy. So overall, we look at the embryo quality and we say it's of excellent quality, which would be an A embryo, middle, which would be B, or C, which would be a fair embryo. So again, it's either good, fair, or poor. And what we want to do is determine that the embryo itself overall has a great quality prior to the implantation process to begin.